Okay.
Woo.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
I'm ready.
For party!
Go. I'm ready.
Okay. Just land. Picture.
Everybody ready?
Sit down.
To have a party.
Go.
Ooh. Oh my god.
I'm ready.
Yes, sir.
Der var det.
See, I'm on up there now. Loading up.
Ja, Jørgen og Per gør.
I need a shake.
Definitely need a shake. Very serious.
Oh, Victor. Sorry.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Sure it works.
Hey, go on, go.
Do it. Don't do
Really?
it.
Du ved ikke, hvor det går? Med mange kegle, mange og så cola.
Sir.
Hey! Oh my god! Far, der var en, der blev skudt på Sjællands album.
Okay.
Hey, you got loaded this for me. I got that servant. And that way I'm sure it works.
Oh my god!
Right. That doesn't need.
You did it twice.
No?
Yeah. Scared me like crap. You scared the whole table. Hey.
Okay.
Shoot, Jasmine. Shoot. Yeah, I know you want to scare me.
No.
Ja, nu skal du lige være min ven.
Oh my god.
Hvor går det?
Jens Christensen.
Du har lige kastet mig.
Jamen,
Lige foran dig.
ja, nu skal jeg jo have pillet det her lort ud.
Hører du da ikke?
Ja, det er lige det er jeg set, du har gjort.
That's not deep enough.
Det er hvad? Jamen, det er så ret til det.
It's okay. This is really noisy.
Hvad sker der for mig? Hvorfor kan jeg ikke finde ud?
Vi er tilbage med det der med jagttegnet. Jeg kunne ikke det.
Det gik sgu da ikke.
You're very dangerous with that gun. And you don't hit me. I blow this. Don't hit.
Det er jo altså en gang seriøst shit.
Hvad laver du? Du kommer da galt et sted, mand. How can you push it and be afraid of your own gun?